this is Vikram Shrestha here. Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm not going to drop the kind of vlogging video just because I have something special to show you guys. You wanna know what it is? Let's have a look. Dun, dun, dun. Finally, I have got my brand new ASUS company laptop. Honestly guys, I was waited for 7 days to get it, and finally it's in my hand. I'm super excited to unbox it guys. So you guys wanna go? Let's go and unbox it. Well, my channel is not related to unboxing or reviewing electric items, but I'm doing it just because I want you guys to know basic thing about the laptop. So shall we guys? I can't wait for it. Let's do this. Let me tell you one thing guys, when it comes to buying a new laptop, there is a lot to think about, like the quality of laptop, its durability, its price and many more. So if you guys are considering to buy a new laptop, then you should research enough before you buying it. Okay guys, I think I have to leave now. So before I leave, I do have one request for you guys. If you really haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribe and feel free to leave the comments. I hope you guys like the video. I'll see you in the next video guys. See you. Bye bye. Take care.